Alam niyo guys, isa sa bucket list ko noon ang mag-skydive. When I was, single. And you'd say, where's the airplane? Ganun siya, there! There! Medyo nakaramdam ako kanina ng panghihinayang kasi nasa bucket list ko siya or ma-experience, kung meron kang gusto, go girl. Huwag ka nang magdalawang isip, i-push mo na yan. Kasi 3 years, 5 years from now, feeling ko magsisisi ka. Hello guys! Another day, another vlog. Yee! Here's Aliyah. Aliyah! There's Lady. And Dad. So, dito kami ngayon sa kotse. We're going for a walk with Lady. Yan. Yung aso ko, siya na yung nandun sa harap. Siya na yung nakaupo sa harap. Maganda yung panahon ngayon. Today is the, what's the date today? 16th of August. And it's 3:30 ng hapon. So, buong araw ay ganito. Medyo cloudy, pero araw. Sakto lang. Hindi siya yung super init. Hindi rin siya yung super lamig. Na mahangin. Medyo mahangin, pero mainit yung panahon, guys. So, iwawalk natin ang girls, si Lady, tsaka si Aliyah. Yeah, that's right. Where's the airplane? So, guys, si Aliyah, she's just turned 1. Pero she has this obsession of airplanes. Pag nandun kami sa garden, and you'd say, where's the airplane? Ganun siya, there. Ganun siya sa taas. Tapos, kunyari, may marinig siyang airplane. Kasi dito sa amin, malapit sa skydiving area. So, every time na maganda yung panahon, talagang may mga small airplanes na passing by our house. And, talagang manonotice niya pag nandun kami sa labas na may airplane. And recently, tinuro ko sa kanya yung where is the light. Yeah, tingnan nyo, nag-iingay siya. Aliyah, where's the airplane? Where's the airplane? Where's the airplane, baby? Where's the airplane? Where is it? Can you see any? Where's the airplane? There. Aliyah, where's the airplane? Aliyah, where's the airplane? Where's the airplane? Where's the airplane? No? You can't see any airplane yet. Okay. There's Lady. Hi guys. Actually, we're here at the aviation place near our house. So, may mga skydivers dito. Look, we can go near them now. Later. There's Aliyah. Yeah, there are skydivers, guys. Yeah. Oh, nice. What are you doing? You're holding and Dad is not holding you.
Here we go.
Daddy, she's having a hard time doing like that. Her core is like working hard. Oh, there you go.
Here we go, Leah.
Oh, okay. There you go. There's the airplane. Aliyah, say bye. So, oh yeah, ito si Aliyah. Oh. Where's the airplane? Where are they now? I can't see them. They're going around, are they?
Yeah, they fly out.
Fly out, yeah. And then they will obviously land here.
Yeah.
Alam niyo guys, isa sa bucket list ko noon ang mag-skydive. When I was single. I haven't met Andy yet. Gusto kong mag-skydiving. Pero ewan ko ba kung bakit. Gusto kong gawin nung 30 years old ako eh. But hindi ko nagawa. Ngayon parang hindi ko na siya gagawin. I'm not gonna do it because Aliyah is here. What if something happens? So, hindi na. If I'm single, I haven't got any kid, I would do it. But now I have a kid, so I'm not gonna do it. Daddy, have you done the skydiving before?
Yes, I have.
Oh, Andy has done the skydiving.
Did it here.
Oh, can you tell me how was it?
Really good. You know, kind of best adrenaline.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you have a photo or video?
I've got a video.
You got a video.
I don't know where it is now.
So Andy jumped out of the plane.
15,000 feet.
15,000 feet high. Oh my god. That's really cool. Yeah. When was that? Before I met Andy. So that's 10 years ago. Yeah. Yes. Where are they? I can't see any. Dropping from the sky. Wala pa sila guys. Yung mga umalis. Naantay namin sila. Wala talaga. Wala akong makita. There! Wala. I can't see any. Hello everyone! Nakabalik na tayo ngayon dito sa bahay. And I'm with Aliyah. And Daddy is in the kitchen cooking dinner tonight. So, pina-cook ko siya ng dinner namin, which is chili con carne. Kanina nagpunta tayo sa skydive. area, malapit sa amin. It's like 10 minutes drive away from our house. And skydiving area talaga siya. So, I was telling my husband a while ago that it was my bucket list on my 30th birthday na mag-skydive. Kaso, wala akong nahanap na kasama. Hindi ko siya ginawa. Ay! Medyo nakaramdam ako kanina ng panghihinayang kasi nasa bucket list ko siya. Actually, nung nag-move ako dito sa amin, tinignan ko na siya. And then, I look at the price. So, sabi ko, okay, I'll save up for it. Kasi medyo may kamahalan din. And then, nung 30th birthday ko, hindi ko na talaga din siya pinush. Pero, nasa isip ko na gagawin ko siya at some point in my life. Pero kanina, I felt really, parang na-disappoint ako sa sarili ko dahil hindi ko siya pinush nung wala pa akong anak. Kaya sinasabi ko kanina kay Andy na I don't feel like doing it now that I have Aliyah. Because anything can happen, right? And she's very young. Pero syempre, nauuna yung paranoia natin. But, pag meron ka kasing ganito kaliit na anak, parang isipin mo, gusto mo mabuhay ng mahaba para sa kanya. And, jumping out of a plane, it's a big risk. It's a risk, right? Sabi ko, may insurance ba to? Sabi niya, hindi, wala. Because Andy did it once here, and then one daw sa Turkey. But anyway, medyo na-disappoint ako sa sarili ko kasi hindi ko siya ginawa noong gusto ko gawin. So, parang lesson learned sa akin na kung meron kang gustong gawin and you're able to do it, girl, go get it. Yung ganun, go get it by hook or by crook. Basta ba achievable and also realistic na kaya mo siyang ma-achieve or ma-experience, you know, kung meron kang gusto, go, girl. Huwag ka nang magdalawang isip, i-push mo na yan. Kasi 3 years, 5 years from now, feeling ko magsisisi ka kung hindi mo ginawa. Parang sa akin ngayon, yung hindi ko siya pinush noon, pero gusto ko siyang gawin. Sabi ko, bakit hindi ko siya ginawa? Kasi, ang na-realize ko, I was lack of confidence. Wala akong peers or yung friend na gusto ding gawin yon. Ako lang. But I don't think I've opened up with my friends just in case they wanna do it with me. Yung mga ganun ba? Parang hindi ko siya shinare. It's actually, I said to Annie, it's in my bucket list. Nasa journal ko siya eh. I wrote it down. Skydiving on my 30th birthday. Pero girl, hindi ko siya ginawa. That was 7 years ago. So, sabi ni Andy, hindi pa naman huli ang lahat. Pwede mo pang gawin. Sabi niya. So, sabi ko naman, tignan natin. Kasi may Aliyah na ako eh. So, parang nakakatakot naman na gawin ko siya. Alam, basta, iba na yung parang isipin mo yung anak mo. Na kailangan meron siyang nanay. Di ba? Parang, anyway, girl, kung meron kang iniisip na gawin ngayon, at kaya mong gawin ngayon, at kaya mong i-achieve, i-push mo na. Huwag ka nang magdalawang isip, promise. Kasi, pagsisisihan mo kung bakit hindi mo siya ginawa ngayon. Yan yung nangyari ngayon sa akin, ngayong araw na ito. Kaya, sinishare ko lang sa inyo, just to learn from my mistake. Yan. I-push mo na yan, girl. Okay? Eto. Iba na ngayon ang panahon kasi may anak na ako. Kaya, Push mo na! Anyway, thank you guys sa panonood sa vlog na ito. And see you again next sa ating next vlog. Bye! Hey, that's my crisp! No, I'm salty. You're still a baby. You're not supposed to eat salty food. Okay? No, Aliyah.